Flew all the way to Kansas City to check out this truck. They dropped down the price to $21,000. It's got 779,000 miles and some change. Double bunk. Thought it was a nice truck, but then I took it for a test drive. I told Ryder about my concerns, and they said that they were going to power wash the oil off. The AC didn't work. That's my concerns, and they were going to power wash the oil off. That was a sign for me to walk away. That was my red flag. So if you like you a raggedy Ryder truck, it's in Kansas City. Go get it. And talk to Matthew, the sales guy. I'm back on the hunt for my first truck. This truck was supposed to be certified, and this truck seemed like an as-is truck.